Good day, viewers. Our topic of the day is conversion from base 10 to base 2. In our last class, we have treated conversion from base 2 to base 10, where I told you conversion from base 2 to base 10 is done by successive multiplication. So in this case, we are going to discuss on conversion from base 10 to base 2. Conversion from base 10 to base 2 is done by what is called repeated division. Repeated what? Division. As against the last lecture where conversion from base 2 to base 10 was done by successive multiplication. So under this, we have some questions to solve. The question is saying, example 1 is saying, convert the following from base 10 to base 2. A is 5 base 10. B is 44 base 10. And C is 473 base 10. We have these three questions on the board and we are asked to solve them or to convert them from base 10 to base 2. So what are we going to do? The first step of the solution, we have our 5 base 10. Remember I told you it is done by repeated division. Therefore, we draw a line like this. We write our 5 here. Then we divide by 2 because we are asked to convert it into base 2. So we divide by 2. Then we see 2 into 5. We have 2. Then 2 times 2 will give us 4. It's not up to 5. Then we have remainder 1. Then the remainder 1. Then the second stage, we repeat by dividing by 2 also. Then we say 2 into 2. It will go only one time. 1 times 2 is 2. Therefore, there is no remainder. Then the next stage, we also divide by 2. 2 into 1 is 0. Remember this one. What next? The next is upward collection of the remainder. We collect the remainder upwardly. Therefore, 1, 0, 1 base 2 is the answer. Then going to 1b, which is 44 verse 10, we also draw a line like this. Then we divide by 2. Simple. 2 into 44. It will go 22 times remainder 0 because there is no remainder. Then we divide also the second stage by 2. And we say 2 into 22. It will go 11 times remainder 0. Then we move to stage 3, we divide also by 2. 2 into 11, it will go 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10. It means we have remainder here 1. Then we divide by 2 again. 2 into 5, it will go 2 times remainder 1. Then the next stage also we divide by 2. That's why we call it repeated division. 2 into 2, it will go 1 time, remainder 0. Then the next stage also we divide by 2. 2 into 1, 0 times, remainder 1. What next is upward collection of the remainder. 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, base 2. Then 1C, which says 473, verse 10. Therefore, we draw our line as usual, and we write 473. Here we are asked to convert it into base 2, then we divide by 2. Very simple. This number is little bit higher. Then we can divide in this way. 2 into 4, it will go 2 times. Then 2 into 7, it will go 3 times. 3 times 2 is 6. It means we have remainder here 1. Then the remainder here 1, we merge it with this 3, it will become 13. Then we say 2 into 13, it will go 6 times remainder 1, because 6 times 2 is going to give us 12, and here we have 13. That means we have remainder here 1. Then we go to the second stage and divide by 2 also. We say 2 into 2, it will go 1 time. 2 into 3 also, it will go 1 time, remainder 1. Then the remainder here we merge it with this 6. It will be what? 16. Therefore, we say that 2 into 16, it will go 8 times. 8 times 2 is 16. It means there is no remainder 0. Then the third stage, 2 into 1, it will not go. Then we say 2 into 11, it will go 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10. It means we have remainder here 1. So the remainder we merge it with this 8, it will be what? 18. Then we say that 2 into 18, it will go 9 times. 9 times 2 is what? Is 18. Therefore, there is no remainder. So we have remainder 0. Then the next stage also, we have our 2. We have 59. Then we say that 2 into 5, it will go 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. It means we have remainder here 1. Then the remainder, we merge it with this 9. It will become 19. And then we have 19. So we say 2 into 19. 2 into 19. It will go there. 8. So it will go there 9. Then 9 times 2 is going to give us 18. Therefore, we have remainder 1. The next stage, 2 into 29. 2 into 29, it will go 14, remainder 1. And the next stage is by 2 again. 2 into 14, it will go 7 times, remainder 0. 2 also into 7, it will go 3 times, remainder 1. 2 also into 3, 2 into 3, it will go 1, remainder 1. Then 2 into 1 is not possible, therefore 0, remainder 1. So what next is upward collection of the what? Of the remainder. Therefore we have 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, base 2. This is the final answer. Thank you for watching.